Hey, what's up, everyone? So today we get to talk about my youngest daughter. Her name is Emerald, and she's really cute. And when she's older, it's key that I know what to do. Okay, because who knows how she's gonna be, how she's gonna act around people, and all that good stuff. So this is me learning to understand her. Okay. Now, firstly, her sun is in Gemini, and we all know that Gemini and Scorpio don't really get around to each other. And apparently, Gemini and Scorpio are the two most hated signs in the zodiac, according to some people. I mean, there was a study done in a college, which is okay, I suppose. So her sun is in Gemini, and her moon is in Aries. Her moon is in Aries. My moon is in Leo. So we're gonna be able to communicate emotionally. We'll always be on the same emotional field mentally. So we'll be able to have that 2020 with each other when it comes to thoughts, which is really cool. It's really nice to have that with people that you love. Foresight. It's like a foresight. So her Aries and my Leo. So Sun and first house. So you can imagine how empowered both of us are gonna be associating ourselves with her. Even my wife is a Leo too, so we'll have fun associating with her emotionally. Right now, she's basically just a big old emotion because she's really little. She's only a year or two. So she communicates through her emotions right now. So it's pretty easy for us to raise her right now. And I'm sure her other signs are going to come in sooner and later, like her Mercury, which is in Gemini. But before we go to the Gemini Mercury, let's go to rising. Her rising is in Virgo, just like Aurora's rising is in Cancer. So they'll be able to communicate with each other and lovely. It'll be lovely. you know, I didn't think that Aurora would have anyone to talk to, but she will when Emerald gets old enough to be able to talk. Aurora's already talking, so you know she's gonna get to teach her everything, how to talk, all that good stuff. So I'm really grateful that we have those opportunities for our kids because it's really cool because Aurora and Emerald can talk and Annie and Alexandria can talk on their first house level type energy. Okay. Emerald's Mercury is in Gemini, so she's gonna love to talk a lot, especially having her son in Gemini also. So that should be fun. Mine is in Libra, so we can be indecisive together. Come up with all kinds of beautiful ideas. It'll be fun for me. Her Venus is in Taurus. Mine is in Libra. So we will have this on just some incongruencies with each other because I'm going to be very stern emotionally and she's not going to be so stern. She's going to be more I feel this way and I'll be like I know this. So it's going to be a little incongruent and frustrating, but it'll be fine because we love each other. Mm. Her Mars is in Cancer, mine is in Aries. Cancer's very supportive. Maybe she'll be supportive towards me being aggressive towards her. You never know. I'm sure that would be something cool. I wouldn't have to worry about her so much. As long as me and her mom are cool, I'm sure that her Mars and Cancer will be supportive and listen well. So that'll be nice. Sure, we'll have our spats though because she's gonna be really emotional. Because Cancers are super emotional. So her Mars, when she's expressing herself about what she wants to do in her life, I get to listen very attentively. And if I don't, I'm gonna get in trouble. It's okay. At least I know, right? It's better to know right? The better the double you know than the one you don't. Okay. So her Jupiter's in Sagittarius. My Jupiter's in Gemini, so I'll be able to break down things to her, and she'll be able to break them down to other people with me. And that'll be really fun. That'll be super duper fun. Super duper uber fun. Especially because Gemini's the opposite of Sagittarius, so that'll be magic right there. And her Saturn is in Capricorn, just like her mom. A lot of our kids have Saturn in Capricorn for some reason. Anyways, Saturn is ruled by Saturn, right? Capricorn's ruled by Saturn. My Sagittarius Saturn, I'm not gonna have so much fun with work ethic around my family members so much. Which is fine because I'm the stern one. And, I might come off as a little too aggressive. But everyone understands. And there's ethics. And we love each other. Just like I love you guys, which is why I'm talking about this stuff. And for anyone who's curious, there's another word for compatibility with astrology. And I'll leave it in the link below, and you guys can do your own research on it. It's very important to do research, even for me. I know about every sign, but I don't know about all of the words that people use to associate things to other things. And I came to this realization talking to one of my friends today. So my friend has a little bit more knowledge when it comes to astrology terminology. So I get to learn about that kind of stuff. And it's important to be a student and to always learn. So that's a blessing for me, for sure. And I hope you guys enjoy learning. I hope that you guys are learning from these videos I'm making, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for your time and blessings. I hope you guys enjoy your Thanksgiving, because I know I'm gonna tear up some cranberry sauce or whatever I eat. I'm super grateful for you guys, and I hope you guys have a great one. Thank you. Goodbye.